Good evening viewers, welcome to the Smart Learning French language class. Today's topic is a very important topic of the French grammar, Mettez au masculin. Some sentences in feminine sentences are given in today's class and I'll be showing you how to convert it to masculine. This is the main thing in today's topic, that is the today's session, is the how to convert a feminine sentence to masculine. That means the adjective in the French grammar varies according to the gender and number. That is a masculine gender or feminine gender. It depends on that. Or number also, that is one or more than one. Okay. I'll be showing you some sentences. I'll be solving some sentences in today's class. I'll be showing you some live examples to make this topic clearly. Okay. Please permit me to let you know before starting today's session that I have launched a French communicative course of short-term duration, and this is a 1 month duration. This is a very much effective course in French communicative part. It will be covered in this session, and this course will benefit to the persons or students who are interested to visit the France itself or French-speaking countries or any other French-speaking countries for the purpose of higher studies or any other official purpose or business purpose. They will definitely be benefited from this French communicative short-term course. If you are interested or anybody interested to follow this course, French communicative part, want to learn, then they can contact me to the personal WhatsApp number given in the description of the video below. I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning and like and share the video lessons given in the channel. One like and share will encourage me to work hard for the next lesson. Let's start today's topic. Thank you. Let's start today's topic, Mettez au masculin. First sentence, la tante de mon ami est vive. This type of question, if you want to solve it, first you have to observe the sentence from the very beginning to the last end point. That is, first one is article. The article to be converted into masculine. That is the feminine sentence. You have to convert it into masculine. The article should be converted into, and then the subject, then other part. Okay. As per the adjective also will vary as per number and gender. Gender and number. That is, I am showing you from first step. That is the la. That is, I have to convert it to the masculine. I am showing the article in masculine. That is lo. Lo. La will be converted to lo. Lo tat. That is la tat. That is lo tat. Masculine of the tat is oncle. O-N-C-L-E. Oncle. But here L-E, oncle, there is a two vowels. So you have to make it an apostrophe. Say l'oncle. L'oncle de mon ami. Ami is a feminine. A-M-I-E. A-M-E-E. The French spelling. That is, E is there at the end, so it is a girlfriend. So you have to convert it into the boyfriend. M-I-E. A-M-I. Okay, mon ami. L'oncle de mon ami est vip. That means the uncle of my friend is vip. Okay. This is a living. This is the conversion of a masculine sentence, a feminine sentence to a masculine. This is called Mettez au masculin. This type of sentences come in examination also. So your answers will be l'oncle de mon ami est vip. You have to solve this type of question, you have to observe it, the sentence, given sentence from the very beginning, from the first part, from the very beginning to the end point. Then step by step you have to convert it. Okay. Please copy in your exercise book. I am going on. I am showing you another sentence. Next sentence is Ma belle sœur est jolie et gentille. Okay, is the sentence. The English meaning is my beautiful sister is jolly and gentle. So how to convert it? You have to convert it Ma belle sœur. That is, sister will be brother here. You are converting it to masculine. The ma will be mo, beau, frère. Sister will be belle is a masculine is beau. This is the adjective. Adjective belle in masculine form is beau. Frère. Sister will be brother. Frère is brother. Mon beau frère. The first part is converted. Mon beau frère est joli. Joli is masculine form, this adjective. That is without E. Okay, Joli. She-O-L-E is the French spelling. Jolie et gentil. Double L, there is no E. That is the masculine. Mon beau frère est joli et gentil. G-E-N-T-I double L, gentil. It is in feminine, is there, and we are converting into masculine, then is erased. Okay, from both the adjective, joli and gentil. The English meaning is my beautiful brother is jolly and gentle. Okay. This is the conversion of second sentence. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am going for the third one. La sœur de Nathalie. Nathalie is a proper name. La sœur de Nathalie est ma meilleure amie. Est ma meilleure amie. La sœur de Nathalie est ma meilleure amie. Okay. So first sentence I am taking this La sœur de Nathalie est ma meilleure amie. That the sister of Nathalie is a proper name, est ma meilleure amie. I am converting from the first point. La will be lo and sœur will be frère. The brother, the sister with the brother. Le frère de Nathalie est more. I am converting it to masculine. There's a adjective possessive. There's a ma will be more. Mon meilleur ami. Without E is the masculine. So complete sentence is, complete answer is, le frère de Nathalie est mon meilleur ami. Okay. The brother of Nathalie is my best friend. And in meilleur also I am erasing this E. Okay, in the masculine, as I am converting it to feminine from feminine to masculine. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am going for the next one. Next sentence is ma mère parle à sa cuisine. Cuisine. Ma mère parle à sa cuisine. That means my mother is speaking to her cousin. But I am converting it to masculine, that is ma will be mo. Père, mère will be père. Mon père, my mother, my father. Okay. Parle à ce cousin. I am converting the possessive, that is sa will be son and cousin. Cuisine will be cousin, masculine. Okay, I am erasing the E from the feminine. The answer, complete answer is mon père parle à son cousin. Okay, this is the complete answer. And this is the process, how to convert it. Please take down in your copy, one by one. I am showing you the next sentence. Sa nièce habite avec sa grand-mère. This is a feminine sentence. Okay. Sa nièce means his niece. His niece lives with her grandmother. I am converting to masculine. First time I am sa will be son, possessive. Se, nièce will be neveu. Neveu. Ce neveu habite avec ce. Sa will be se, possessive, and grand-mère will be grand-père. Grand-père. With a grandmother is with his grandfather. Père. This is the complete answer. Ce neveu habite avec son grand-père. This is the answer. Sa nièce is son neveu, his nephew. His niece will be his nephew in masculine. This is the conversion process, and this is the formula. It is from the top to bottom. You will observe the sentence, and one by one, step by step, you convert it to the masculine. And be careful regarding the main point. Then in French grammar, the adjective varies according to the number and gender of the subject of the sentence. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you for attending the class. I'll be coming with the next grammatical topic of the French grammar in the next video lesson. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you.